Good morning, class. Okay, today we will learn about chapter 7. Okay, this chapter 7 is all about air. Okay, what is air? Air is, in Malay we call as udara. Okay, so in our daily life we need air to survive. Okay, this is the keyword that you will found in this chapter 7. Okay, oxygen is consists in air. Okay, carbon dioxide, you also have learned about carbon dioxide before, and also nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen, maybe this is new for you. Okay, inert gas. Okay, inert gas, you have learned this one in chapter 6. Okay, in the predictable inert gas, remember in group 18, like neon, helium, xenon, krypton, that one is inert gas. Okay, this one we have learned in chapter 6. Helium is the example of inert gas. Neon, argon, krypton, okay, xenon, all that is the examples of inert gas. Carbon cycle, oxygen cycle, okay, this one is new for you. We will learn this one in chapter 7. Global warming, greenhouse effect, combustion, fire extinguisher, and air pollution. So all of these keywords we will learn in chapter 7. Okay, let's start to study about the subtopic 7.1. Okay, where is the air actually? Where is the air? Okay, can you answer this question? Where is the air? We can feel the air, but we cannot see the air, because actually air is colorless, so we cannot see air. If air is have color, so we can see air, but air have no color, we just can feel the air. Okay, if the air is moving, so we can feel the air. Actually, air is surrounding us. Okay, this is the meaning or the definition of air. Okay, you all know about atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere is the layer of air. The layer of air we call as atmosphere. Dalam bahasa Melayu we call as atmosphere ni lapisan udara. Okay, lapisan udara. Air consists of many gases. Example, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and inert gas. And all of these content of air have their specific percentage in air. Air also contains dust, water vapor, and microorganisms. Okay, this is the content of air. Okay, remember the definition of air is layer of air we call as atmosphere. Air consists of many gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and inert gas. Air also contains dust, water vapor, and microorganisms. In inert gas consists of helium, argon, neon, xenon, and krypton. All of these gases are in group 18 in periodic table. Okay, remember we learned before about inert gas, about periodic table, about group 18. Okay, this is the composition of air. The definition of air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and inert gas. Okay, in our air, nitrogen, the composition of nitrogen is 78%, while oxygen is 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, inert gas and others 0.97%. Okay, inert gas and others. Others consist of dust, consists of microorganisms. Okay, so if you total all of this number 78 plus 21 plus 0.03 plus 0.97, the total of this is 100%. So in air consists all of this: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, inert gas, and others. Okay, understand? Okay, this is in the form of chart pie. Okay, oxygen actually makes up 1/5 of the air. 1/5 per 1/5 of 100. Okay, if you calculate using your calculator, 1/5 times 100 equals to 20, right? So almost 21%. That is the composition of oxygen in our air. Okay, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, as you all know, that important for photosynthesis. In green plants, they will need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Remember, photosynthesis is the process to make their own food. So we need carbon dioxide. The plant need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis to make their own food. Air also contains water vapor, microorganism, and dust. Okay, and one more, the content of air is nitrogen. Nitrogen actually is inactive gas, and the percentage is the most higher in air. There is 78% of nitrogen in air. Okay, this is the experiment to determine the percentage of oxygen in the air. Okay, after this I will also give the video so you can do this experiment at home. Please do this experiment at home, because this experiment is very simple. You can only use any materials in your house. Okay, the materials that we need is candle. Okay, you can use whether the candle that is always used in dark. Okay, lilin yang selalu kamu guna pada waktu gelap. And also you can also use birthday candle. Okay, so you can use glass. Make sure the glass that you use is the transparent glass. so you can see the water rise up. You can use also the plate, okay, aluminium plate or glass plate, and you need water, okay. Water level will increase to the level of Mach 1. It shows that composition of oxygen is actually 1/5 or 21% of the air. Okay, this one I will show the video, the simple video. 1E have done this experiment at home, so I am believe that 1A also can do this experiment by yourself at home. So make sure you submit the video of the experiment in group. Okay, I forgot to tell you, before you carry out this experiment, make sure you have divide the part of the glass into 5. Okay, how to divide the glass? You just mark at the above of the glass, okay, ataupun di dinding luar, at the wall of the glass, you mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure the part is divided with same division. Okay, bahagikan dengan besar yang sama. Okay, 5 bahagian bahagikan sama. Tandakan dengan liquid paper or permanent marker di tepi gelas itu. Okay, bahagi sama, rata. Okay, this slide show that to prove that air contains water vapor, you will need cobalt chloride test paper. What is cobalt chloride test paper? Cobalt chloride test paper is the test to show that the air is contain water vapor. Okay, actually this paper, the color of this paper is blue. So if you test your surrounding with this paper, if the paper turn from blue to pink, so that means our air consists of water vapor. Okay, I will explain you in Malay. Kertas kobalt klorida kontang adalah kertas kobalt yang diperlukan untuk menguji kehadiran wap air di udara. Kertas ini berwarna biru. Okey, kalau kamu uji, kamu letakkan kertas ini di atas meja yang kering, kamu just letak macam itu. So, apabila kamu melihat kertas biru itu bertukar menjadi merah jambu tanpa meletakkan air, kamu just letak di atas meja dan biru itu tiba-tiba bertukar menjadi pink, maksudnya udara kita ini memang mengandungi wap air. Okey, itu adalah ujian yang menunjukkan bahawa udara kita mempunyai wap air. Okey, selain daripada menggunakan kertas kobalt klorida kontang, kamu juga boleh bernafas, cuba bernafas, hembus nafas di hadapan cermin. Okey, bila kamu hembus nafas di hadapan cermin, kamu akan lihat ada titisan wap air di atas cermin itu. Itu juga menunjukkan bahawa udara kita mengandungi wap air. Ataupun kamu perhatikan, bila kamu bangun pagi, kamu lihat dekat cermin tingkap kamu ada titisan wap air. So itu menunjukkan bahawa udara kita mengandungi wap air. Our air consists of water vapor. Okay, this slide show you that air also contain dust. Okay, ini boleh cuba buat di rumah. You can try this at home. You take sellotape and then you just dab on your table. Okay, so you will see that your sellotape content of dust. Ataupun kamu biarkan selotip yang permukaan atasnya melekat itu di atas meja. Kamu biarkan permukaan atas melekat itu di atas meja. Jangan letak permukaan yang melekat tu di bawah. Okey, kamu letakkan permukaan yang melekat tu ke atas untuk menunjukkan, untuk membiarkan debu-debu itu melekat di atas selotip. Kalau kamu letakkan permukaan yang melekat itu di bawah, nanti dia akan melekat atas meja. Okey, faham tak maksud cikgu? Kamu ambil selotip, terbalikkan, biarkan permukaan melekat itu di atas. So, kamu letak di atas meja, permukaan melekat terdedah ke udara, nanti dust itu akan melekat di atas selotip itu. So, itu menunjukkan bahawa our air contain dust. Our air contain dust. Udara mengandungi debu. Okay. This slide prove that air contain microorganism. Ini kamu gunakan agar-agar jernih. Tapi kalau kamu tak nak guna agar-agar jernih, you can use any of food. You just put on your table. You see, after a few days, your food will organize, rosak. Okay, rosak. Bukan organize, oxidize. Sorry, your food will oxidize. Oxidize mean exposed to air, it will damage. Dia akan rosak. Okay, jadi itu menunjukkan bahawa our air consists of microorganism. Okay, so is air is a mixture? This one mixture we have learned before. So is air is a mixture or compound? So air is mixture. Yes, air is mixture. The components can be separated by a physical method. We have learned this before. Remember, mixture is the components that is combined and separated by physical method. Okay, so the physical method is fractional distillation. Okay, without air we will die. Okay, you can see in the picture. Without air, you can see from the picture number 2, the man cannot survive without air. So don't do this at home. Don't cover your face with plastic like that. You will die without air. Okay, don't do that at home. Okay, this is the importance of gas. Okay, what is the importance of oxygen? What is the importance of carbon dioxide? What is the importance of inert gas? What is the importance of nitrogen? Okay, as you all know, oxygen need in respiration. We will inhale oxygen so we can survive. Oxygen also need in combustion. Oxygen also need in welding and steel cutting. Okay, because the oxygen need for combustion. Oxygen preparation need in preparation of various compound. Okay, remember before we learn about magnesium plus oxygen, it will become magnesium oxide. Okay, that one is the importance of oxygen. Okay, this is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide need in photosynthesis. Okay, green plant will do their own food, and in photosynthesis it will absorb carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide also need in fire extinguisher untuk memadamkan api, and carbon dioxide also need in production of carbonate drink. Okay, minuman yang bergas itu memerlukan carbon dioxide. Okay, ini nitrogen. The nitrogen need in cooling agent. Okay, cooling agent macam ejen-ejen penyejukan yang digunakan dalam aircon. Okay, itu nitrogen. Nitric acid and ammonia, untuk kita buat nitric acid, untuk kita buat ammonia. Ammonia is baja. Okay, yang diperlukan untuk membuat baja ammonia. Okay, that is the importance of nitrogen. Also nitrogen is important in nitrogen cycle. Okay, inert gas. Inert gas we have learned before. Inert gas need in hot air balloon, helium. Inert gas also need in advertising light, lampu-lampu iklan, neon, yang lampu berwarna-warni. Hari tu cikgu ada tunjuk dalam Google. Argon gas is need in light bulb. Okay, this is carbon cycle. We will learn this next class. Okay, because we have learned too much. I am afraid that you cannot catch up because you must learn this one by yourself. Okay, so carbon dioxide we will learn in next class. Okay, so we will stop here. So please do the exercise in your workbook, dalam buku kerja, in page 'Okay, after this video, after you have learned from this video, please do the exercise in your workbook, page 99, page 100, page 101. Page 101, you just need to answer the question of number 1. Okay, number 2, we have not learned the subtopic yet. Okay, we will learn in next class. Okay, so please do the exercise. I repeat, 99, 100 and 101 only for question number 1. Okay class, that's all for today. So if you have any question, you can ask in group. Either you can use audio message, or you can type your question. You can ask in group. I will answer this for you in group. Okay, thank you class. Hope you understand about this subtopic 7.1. Okay.